What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie and I'm here at Busch Gardens, Tampa to check out this year's Howl-O-Scream. Alright, so we are back at Busch Gardens for Howl-O-Scream. I went here last year. Last year was my first year actually. They had a couple scare zones and a couple houses, but this year there's only scare zones because of COVID-19. They wanted to instruct social distancing and make sure everybody's safe. So they upped their scare zones to 10. Basically the entire park is a scare zone, 10 scare zones. I'm looking forward to it. Come on, let's go check it out. So the fun begins. Here we are at the entrance, getting ready for Howl-O-Scream. And it's already starting to get creepy and it's not even nighttime yet. Listen to that. I don't think I'm ready. So right here at the entrance, they got some awesome looking merch for Howl-O-Scream. It has all the scare zones, a couple of bags and cups. These masks are awesome. The fear is in your eyes. Oh, that's such a fun scare zone. I love the movie Coco, and that's all about it, man. It's literally like you're there. It's like a scare zone of Coco. If you guys never seen Pixar Coco, you have to check it out. Got a pet. How cute. Deadly toys. I hear some chainsaws. Here we go. No, I'm okay, thanks. I'm all played out.
That's not my road. Okay, but this
So it's not even dark yet, and these scare zones are already getting pretty creepy. I can't even imagine what they're gonna be when all the lights are down, and it's gonna be good. This is one of my favorite rides here, if not the favorite ride. Falcon's Fury, baby. Should go get some tickets. Maniac Midway tickets, sure. I'll get a ticket, please. No tickets? Okay, I'm just gonna go then. I'm just gonna go. Even more! Oh snap, here we go. Campground is open. He's got a human hand in his mouth. This guy's so lonely, maybe I should go talk to him. How you feeling there, buddy? I'm okay, I'm good. I'm gonna go this way. I like my limbs where they are. He's chomping on a human arm too. The shortcut. Let's check out the shortcut. So I found my first line. This is a line to check out the shortcut scare zone. It's a pretty long line too, so I hope it's pretty good. Alright, so waited about 5 minutes in the line. Not too bad. Now I'm gonna go check out the shortcut, which seems to be pretty creepy. Sounds pretty creepy so far. I'm just gonna go this way. I think that's better. That's a pretty sweet car. I know somebody's real. I knew it.
Simply the balance between good and evil. It is there. Revelation says, coming of God in the God. It may be you in disguise.
Whoa. See, sometimes you know it's coming, but it doesn't help anything.
Salvation won't be found here, but you'll be had.
But I'll be had. Whoa, I saw sparks.
That phone is mine.
Is it? Is it though? Yeah, that scare zone was my favorite so far. A ton of detail. So it looks like they're trying to go for the house feel because the scare zones are on point this year. It looks like they're bringing some of the stuff from the houses out that I've seen, several of them so far. So I think they're really doing it for the scare zones. If you guys don't think it's really worth it, so far, I mean, I've seen about half of them so far and I am very impressed. Cash change for the shortcut. Throughout your night of Howl-O-Scream at Busch Gardens, Tampa, be prepared to be doing a lot of this. You're gonna want to wear comfortable shoes. It's just like a day at theme park. Little nightmares. Alright, this seems super creepy, especially since it's not very populated over here right now. So I'm kind of gonna be the butt of a lot of scares. It's so quiet. I don't like this. Little Devil Man guy. Oh, and he's got a chainsaw. Well, good. I guess I'm gonna survive today. That's creepy. Okay, the ears do it. Nice. Scary. Whoa, that was good. That was good. Ah, forgot his hand. Hide and seek. That was a good scare zone. I like that one a lot.
Going there.
That's left. Alright, so I figured I'd try on my new mask. It's pretty comfortable. I can feel that it will get hot after a while, but since it's at night, the event is at night, you won't really have that problem. So if you guys looking for a pretty sweet mask, check this one out. So when I walked in early. Supposedly, when you first come into the park, before you're even in the park, there's the scare zone. These guys are creepy. This is an awesome way to start. So right when you get off the bus from your car, get ready. Alright, so final thoughts. I had an absolute blast at this year's Howl-O-Scream. Yeah, it was a little different, but honestly, not having houses didn't really even change the event at all. The shortcut and the junkyard were basically walk-through houses. They're incredible. You go by yourself, each party goes, and then they wait for the next party to go through and the next party go through. So you have, it's pretty much its own house, but it's outside. Honestly, it was an incredible event and they did it very well for what they're limited to doing. So if you're kind of thinking, oh, okay, there's no houses, only scare zones, try it out. Honestly, it's so awesome. It's the biggest Halloween event I've been able to go to so far this year. And though it's just scare zones, you get to ride the rides that night, you get to do the scare zones. There's food everywhere. There's the show Fiends, which is very adult humored, so not really my thing. Honestly, I would totally suggest coming for yourself because I had an absolute blast. The costumes and the set designs, honestly, everything was very, very well done. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Theme Park Groupie.